Hello everybody, I would like to demonstrate my genocide small bird fight. It is a bird that carries you over a disproportionately small gap in genocide. So yeah, let's just get started. Yeah, that's pretty much impossible attack. Right, so that is my bird that carries you over a disproportionately small gap fight. I will have it download in the description, both with Unitale so that you actually get the engine, probably, and without Unitale so that you can just put it into your current Unitale. So I feel like that will be helpful for some people. So thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.